Now we will take question 3 of exercise 3.3, the statement sums, and we will solve these statement sums by the substitution method. Question 3, first part. The difference between two numbers is 26 and the larger number is 3 times the smaller number. So let one number as x and the smaller number as y. The larger number is 3 times of smaller. So x equal 3y and the difference between two numbers is 26. Okay, so to find out the value by substitution method, आपको यहाँ पे you needed two equations, linear equations. So first linear equations you will make it like this, equals to 0. This will be the first equation. Substitution method we took it in the previous class. Same method you will follow it over here, and this will be the second equation. Second equation. Okay, so x minus 3y equals 0 will become the first equation and x minus y equal 26 will be the second equation. अब आप क्या करेंगे, इन दोनों equations को substitution method से solve करेंगे to get the value of x and y. Got it? Substitution method we took it in the previous class. So same procedure you will follow it. Second, the larger of two supplementary angle exceeds the smaller by 18 degree. So one angle we will take it as x and the second supplementary angle we will take it as y. One angle exceeds the other or the larger by the other with 18 degree. तो हमने ये larger angle मान लिया. This is the larger angle. Assume it. We will assume that this is the larger angle. Okay, so larger angle is 18 degree more than the smaller angle, and this we will assume it as smaller angle. So this from here x equal y plus 18, make the linear equation, you will get it like this. So this is the first equation. And supplementary angle क्या होता है, दोनों एंगल का sum should be equals to 180 degree. So next equation will be x plus y equal 180 degree. So this will be the second equation. Now you can solve both the equations. Clear? Third one. This question is related to the cost of bat and ball. So we will take, let the cost of one bat as rupees x and one ball as rupees y, and it is given the cost of 7 bat and cost of 6 ball equal 3800. So 7x plus 6y equal 3800. So this is the first equation. And in second, cost of 3 bat and cost of 5 ball equal 1750 rupees. So this will become second equation. Now you can solve it by substitution method. Clear? In fourth part, this fourth question fourth is related to the taxi charge question. It is given the taxi charge is a fixed charge, okay, and the charge per kilometer. तो हमने fixed charge को कि मतलब जितना भी फेयर हो, कस्टमर जो जा रहा है तो जितना मर्जी किलोमीटर जाएगा, चाहे कम जाए या ज़्यादा किलोमीटर ट्रैवल करे बाय टैक्सी, तो उसको फिक्स्ड अमाउंट तो देना ही देना है, प्लस whatever traveling, whatever kilometer has been taken by that person, तो रुपीज y पर किलोमीटर के हिसाब से. अब let the fixed charge as x and let the charge per kilometer as rupees y. तो ये fixed charge तो देना ही देना है. And according to the question, 10 kilometer further the customer travels and the total cost is 105. So fixed charge plus 10 kilometer. So 10 into y and its total cost is 105. So this is the first equation. And in second condition it is given, if the customer travels 15 kilometer, then the total cost will be 155. So fixed charge plus cost of 15 kilometer, that is 15 into y, इन दोनों का sum कितना है 155. So this is the second equation. Got it? Question 5th. In question 5th, it is related to the numerator and denominator. So we will assume, let the numerator as x and the denominator as y. So what will be the fraction? Fraction will be numerator upon denominator. Numerator upon denominator will be the fraction. Okay. So according to the question, it is given, if 2 is added in both, then the fraction will become 9 by 11. So 2 add kiya, upon में लिखा, and it will become 9 by 11. How will you solve it? How will you make it as a linear equation? It is not in the linear equation. So how will you make it? Cross multiply. So 11x plus 22 equal 9y plus 18. Now shift the terms. If you will shift it, it will become 11x minus 9y equal 18 minus 22. So you will get 11x minus 9y equal minus 4. तो ये आपकी first equation बन जाएगी. Got it? This will become the first equation. Second equation, if 3 is added on both, then the fraction will become 5 by 6. Again, cross multiply. 6x plus 18 equal 5y plus 15. Shift the terms. 6x minus 5y equal 15 minus 18. Solve it for the 6x minus 5y equal minus 3. So this will become the second equation. Now you can solve both the equations. Question 6. In question 6, it is given present age of Jacob, take it as x years, and the present age of son as y years. After 5 years, they are talking about the after 5 years. तो सबसे पहले हम उनकी present age को assume करेंगे. So after 5 years, तो Jacob की age कितनी हो जाएगी? अगर प्रेजेंट एज x है, सो आफ्टर 5 years उसकी एज कितनी हो जाएगी? x plus 5. एंड सन की एज कितनी हो जाएगी? y plus 5. नाउ कम टू द क्वेश्चन. आफ्टर 5 years, Jacob is 3 times the age of son. So Jacob is 3 times of this. तो we will make the equation. अब इसको हम सॉल्व करते हैं. आगे सॉल्व इट. x plus y equal 3y plus 15. Solve it for by shifting the term, you will get x shift at minus 2y equal 15. So this will be the first equation. Clear? 5 years ago, 5 साल पहले की बात कर रहा है. अगर प्रेजेंट एज x है तो 5 साल पहले उसकी क्या एज थी? x minus 5. So x minus 5 and son age was y minus 5. Now the equation is 5 years ago Jacob is 7 times of son. So Jacob is 7 times of son. This is the equation. Solve it. 7y minus 35. Again shift the terms. X minus 7y. Shift it. Minus 30. So this is the second equation. And you can solve this equation. Okay. So I think अब आपको substitution method is clear to all of you. Now you can solve all these questions by using the substitution method. But in your exam, अगर कुछ नहीं स्पेसिफाई किया हुआ, then you can use any method to find out the value of linear equation in two variable by using any method. Clear? So try solve all these questions now yourself. I have made the equation over here. Now you can solve it by substitution method. Thank you.